Good morning, children. Welcome to this week's module. At first, I'll tell you what all topics which we have done and which you must also go through. Difference between weather and climate. Then, what are the elements of weather and climate? Then, do you know what type of climate India has and why is it so? Okay. Then, we have to also remember the different climatic controls, the factors affecting India's climate, then the definition of Coriolis force, jet streams, western cyclonic disturbances. Emphasis to be given on the different mechanism of monsoon. Clear? Then about the onset of monsoon and withdrawal. The distinct seasonal pattern in India. Then about the distribution of rainfall in India. Clear? Then the difference between burst of monsoon, break of the monsoon. Then you have to remember the terms Mahavat, Lu, mango showers and October heat. This week, let me explain the portions which I have left out. Is it clear? See, this word southern oscillation is also included in the mechanism of monsoon. So let us go through the mechanism once again. First mechanism is that the differential heating and cooling of both land and water. Then the second one, the shift in the position of ITCZ. Third one, the presence of high pressure area east of Madagascar, an island which is situated east of South Africa. Next, the Tibetan plateau gets intensely heated. And the next one is the movement of the westerly jet streams to the north of the Himalayas. Now, apart from all the 5 mechanisms which I said a short while ago, it has been noticed that the changes in pressure conditions over the southern ocean also affects the monsoon. Clear now? Should I repeat? So here's the definition of southern oscillation. Clear? Changes in the pressure over the southern oceans also affects the monsoon. Which two oceans we are talking about? The Pacific Ocean and the Indian Ocean. In certain years there is a reversal in the pressure conditions, and this periodic change in the pressure conditions is what referred to as southern oscillation. Okay, let's talk about the pressure conditions of the Pacific Ocean and the Indian Ocean. You must refer page 30 of your textbook. So what you understood about the term southern oscillation? The periodic change in the pressure conditions is known as southern oscillation. Normally, when the tropical eastern South Pacific Ocean experience high pressure, the tropical eastern Indian Ocean experience low pressure. But it is not so always. In certain years, there is reversal in the pressure conditions. Is it clear?